Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In the last videos, we discussed very clearly about arithmetic exception, next and after that array index out of bound exception when these things are going to come. Now in today's session, I am going to talk about one more exception which is nothing but a string index out of bounds exception. So do you know we have one parent class is there with name index out of bounds exception. There is one parent class is there with the name index out of bound exception. For this array index out of bounds exception and string index out of bounds exception are child classes. Child classes. If you see the exception hierarchy, you can able to get the clarity. But when we are going to get this string index out of bound exception, very simple. If we are trying to access, the characters, if we are trying to access the characters out of range or out of index, we will get this error. Let me take one example program to demonstrate this string index out of bound exception. See, consider I have a Java program is there. Here I am taking string s is equal to something like I am taking HAI high. Then what will happen? System dot out dot println of if we are taking s dot character at 0th location. Which character is available at 0th location? H, right? Because you can see here, what about the locations? Only three characters are there which are available at 0, 1, 2. So now I am trying to get the character which is available at 0th location. Immediately, what output we are going to get? So in 0th location, we have a character called H. Similarly, I want to get the character from first location. I want to get the character from second location. Which characters are available? H, A, and then I. Like this, we are going to get these three values. Let me cross check whether we are getting these three values. Yes. So H, A, I. Like this, we are getting three values. But is there any character at third location? No. Now, when we are trying to access, we will get a runtime error saying, so string index out of bound exception. When we are trying to access like this, then we are going to get string index out of bound exception. If you want, let us cross check. So I'm going to compile the program. The program is going to compile fine. But when we are running, you can see the output what we are getting is string index out of bound exception, string index out of range 3. Like this we are getting. This is nothing but when we are going to get this string index out of bound exception. I think you people got a very clear clarity about this string index out of bound exception. Okay, thank you.